Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over how to close all the gaps. Say you've got a couple of clips and you've got like gaps between them. I'm going to show you how to close them in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's jump straight to it. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack.F. I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor, producing weekly content on videography and video editing and helping you take your videography skills and your video editing skills to the next level. And if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and check out some of my other videos. And if you want to support the channel, go buy me a copy, link in the description. So, jumping straight into this. As you can see here on my timeline, I've got about 5-6 different clips. Now normally what you would do is select it, so you actually, no, you're not selecting the clip, you're selecting a little gap between them. And all you would do is hit the back key, delete, and that would do, but you don't want to do it for every single one, like that. So what you're going to do, so you're going to select them all, you're going to come up to where it says sequence, and then if you come down to where it says close gaps, you're just going to click that close gap, and boom, there you go. All of the gaps have been closed and it's just me walking with Tommy Shelby to face off against Billy Kimber. So yeah, that's just a quick little method on how to close all of the gaps instead of individually selecting them all and then selecting and then deleting and then or possibly even dragging them. So once again, select them all, come up to the sequence and then close gap. And then there you go, you got a nice little no gap sequence. Anyway guys, that was a super quick tutorial on how to close gaps in Adobe Premiere Pro. I know a lot of people, beginners especially, have been struggling with this recently, so if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned to the channel, check out some of my other videos. If you want to learn the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro, like the foundational knowledge, go check that video up there. It goes over all of the basics and to help you get started in Adobe Premiere Pro. And like I said, subscribe to the channel if this is something you're interested in. And go buy me coffee if you want to support the channel and the creation of future content. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Saying I need